here I am, back in the kitchen. I recently purchased a juicer, absolutely wonderful. And I highlighted it in a unboxing video, and you will find that online. And I asked the question, or actually it kind of disturbed me, that the pulp that is left when one has made the glass of juice, what to do with it, because it kind of seemed a shame. Now, there's no pits in there or anything. There's nothing in there that you couldn't eat, so to speak. So I made some juice today. Now in it, carrot, yellow capsicum, cucumber, bit of peach, apple, ginger. I'm going to make some batter and I'm going to see what I can do with it, and I'm going to let you know what the taste is like and whether it's worth it, because it really does seem an awful shame to get rid of that lovely filling. What here? Now I'm going to make a savoury batter and sort of a savoury pancake. It's going to be for my dinner, so it better be good. So I've got a wee bit, half a clove of garlic and onion, finely chopped, flour, baking powder, egg, nutmeg, paprika, salt and milk. So we'll see how I get on. In my list of ingredients, I forgot to mention that there was spinach in it, because I added some frozen spinach. So I've added them here with the onion as well. I thought I'd pre-cook the onion and garlic a wee bit before I put it in with the pulp. So spinach as well, so it's mainly a vegetable dish. Right, just getting some chives and some parsley to go in this. Looking good and smelling yummy actually. Lovely golden brown. Guilty as charged. I can't even wait for it to cool down or go on the plate. I had to have a taste, and I have to say, what a good idea. Now, it may not look appetizing in the bowl, but on the plate it looks delicious. And I also think that this calls for a wine, and I created something yum. I am indebted to the travel hacking teachers.
Full day exploring Jakarta. We're very excited to get out and about the city now that our 5 days of quarantine is over. And we are going to start by going to the Jakarta Historical Museum. There we're going to just check out some of the deep history in Jakarta. We'll hit a few restaurants. After that, we are going to go to Chinatown, check out some awesome eats there, local street food. It's one of the biggest Chinatowns in Southeast Asia. And we're going to conclude at the National Monument, walk around and just learn some of the culture in that area. A big day. We're going to look at all these different places through the lens of having kids. And we're excited to get started. Let's go.
I am indebted to the travel hacking teachers for their suggestion how to use the pulp.